Hello and welcome to our channel. If you also want to add video and marketplace icon in Facebook, then this video is just for you. The process is very simple if you follow our tutorial, so make sure to watch till the end. So first of all, in your mobile, open your settings. Now scroll down to find apps. Find Facebook. Allow all permissions like camera, media, mic, location and storage. Then go to Facebook. Now tap on menu bar. Now the process is very simple. Go to settings and privacy. Tap on settings. On your preference section, tap on navigation bar. Now select the first option, which is customize the bar. Then you have to enable the hidden icons. Now go back to Facebook homepage. Now you'll be able to add video and marketplace icon in Facebook. I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.